Hello and welcome to English with Michael. So today we're going to look at 50 common English phrases. So these phrases can be used for greetings and introductions, polite expressions, and phrases for asking for help or information, basically. So greetings and introductions. Hi, I'm Michael. And you? Nice to meet you. We would use this when we first met someone. So at a party or at a college course, when you first meet someone. Nice to meet you. If it is nice, that is. If it's not, just leave. What's up? Informal. Asking how someone is. How are you? Or hello, what's up? How's it going? Greetings. Hello, how are you? What's up? How's it going? Basic conversation starters. Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? That refers to your job. So people always ask what your job is. They say, oh, what do you do? Very common one. What do you like to do in your spare time or your free time? This talks about your hobbies and your interests. Some people say, I like to walk my dog. I like to paint. How's life treating you? So this can be used as a very general way of finding out how someone is. Are they happy, sad? What's been going on in your life? It's an indirect way of asking people what they've been doing. How are things? The same. What have you been doing? What's been going on today, generally, this week? How are things? How are things with you? So polite expressions. Thanks so much. Oh, thank you so much. You're telling someone that you really appreciate what they've done. I really appreciate it. Means you like it a lot. You're welcome. If someone says thank you to you, you can say, you're welcome. No problem. People generally say no problem when there's no problem. When they've done something and someone says, oh, thank you, I really appreciate it. You say no problem. It has to end at some point. Oh, no, please. Excuse me. When you want to ask for something, if you don't know the person, you just say, oh, excuse me. And then if you're in a restaurant, excuse me, could I order? Or if you're in a shop, excuse me. Could I ask, do you have this in size large? Size medium? Or you can say, excuse me, if you want to walk past. So if you're walking down the street and someone's standing in your way, you can say, excuse me. Or you can say, please excuse me, and they'll move out the way. I'm sorry. This can be if you're apologizing, or if you're really polite and someone's talking to you, but you didn't quite catch what they're saying, say, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't quite hear that. Could you repeat that, please? So like again, someone said something to you and you didn't hear it. So you can say, could you repeat that, please? You want them to say it again. How does that sound? Usually used when you're trying to agree something. So you have a plan, you have an idea, and you give your position, and then you can say at the end, how does that sound? Which basically means, do you like that? Do you want to take part in that? Is that okay with you? So asking for and offering help. Can you help me, please? Can you please help me? Can you help me? You're carrying something heavy. You can't open the door. Can you please help me? Someone might open the door for you with a bit of luck. Could you please talk more slowly or slower? If you're speaking to someone who doesn't speak your language, or if you're speaking English to someone, which you will experience this, and some people speak really quickly. You could just ask them to slow down. Could you please speak more slowly? Do you mind? Do you mind if I leave? Do you mind if we talk about this tomorrow? It's just a polite way of saying that you want to cut something short, or you want someone to do something. So do you mind if I sit here? Meaning, please don't sit there. I would like to do that. Would you do me a favor? Now this means that you want something from someone. You want them to do something for you. I could really use your help. This is really pressing the person that you need help. I could really use your help. Let me know if you need a hand. So what you're doing is you're offering your help to someone, and you're leaving it up to them to ask you, to let you know that they need your help. So it's very nice gesture. Let me know if you need help. Let me know if you need a hand. It shows that you're available for them. I'd be happy to help. You'll hear this a lot in shops, for instance. I'd be happy to help. So the shop assistant is offering help to you, just to let them know. Give someone a hand. It just means help someone. It doesn't literally mean take your hand off. Take my hand. No, it just means a helping hand to help. Expressing understanding and confusion, very common. I don't understand. You've heard that millions of times. I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. It means you don't understand. What do you mean? You're telling someone to explain something further. They said something, but you don't quite understand what it means. So what do you mean? So you want a further explanation. What does that mean? You might not understand a vocabulary word. What does that mean? I don't understand what that means. How do you spell that? I don't understand how a word is spelled. So you might ask your teacher or your classmate, colleague. Thank you. That helps a lot. So you're thanking the person for helping you. General responses. That sounds great, which means you really like what you've heard. Someone has an idea to go somewhere and you can say, that sounds great. Actually, I thought. Now, actually, I thought is you very politely saying that you don't want to do something. You have a different idea. Hi, would you like to go to the pizza shop? Actually, I thought we might try the Chinese restaurant. So it's a polite way of providing a different option, for example. I'm not sure. It means you haven't made up your mind yet. It's different from I don't understand. I don't understand means you don't have the knowledge, but I'm not sure means you don't know if you want to do something or you do not. You haven't thought about doing it yet. I don't know, knowledge-based. You haven't got the knowledge, never mind. Very common. If something's finished and people are still thinking about it, usually a negative thing, you can say, oh, never mind. Don't worry about it. So for instance, you go to a birthday party and you forget the person's birthday card. You can say, I'm really sorry, I forgot your birthday card or present. And they say, oh, never mind. It means they're telling you, don't worry about it. I'm good, and you? How are you? I'm good, and you? It's very American. British people would normally say I'm fine, but Americanisms have influenced lots of people through movies and stuff. So everyone will understand what you mean. I'm good, and you? Means I'm fine. Or would you like something? No, I'm good. It's a deal. Means you agree. If you do the dishes, I'll make the pizza. It's a deal. I owe you one. This talks about favors. So if you help someone and they really appreciate it, they can say, oh, I owe you one, which means when you need help, you can ask them. Goodbyes, you can say bye. You can say bye. This means you're leaving, they're leaving. See you later. That means you're leaving, but you're saying that in the future, you will see them again. It's non-specific. Take care. Take care means look after yourself. You're leaving, it's goodbye, but you can say take care because you're telling the person to look after themselves. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. You'll hear this a lot with in shops in America. Have a nice day. They want you to enjoy the rest of your day. Makes people feel good. I've got to get going. I've got to get going. So this talks about the going, the verb. Going means leaving, walking. You're traveling and you're talking about traveling. I've got to get going. So you're talking about you need to leave. Talk to you later or speak to you later. Very common. This relates to, you can be on a phone. Okay, I'll talk to you later. I'll verb you later. The verb is talking. I'll talk to you later. The verb is talk. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe or press like or leave a comment in the comment section. Also, if you want any recommended books, have a look in the description and have a look at my website if you're looking for any courses. Thank you.